guys! It's been a while! Kumusta po kayo? Na-miss ko talaga kayong lahat. Ngayon ay Friday ng gabi at saka ay tayo ay pupunta sa hospital. Guys, na-miss ko talaga kayong lahat kasi parang I was away for a very long time. I was really busy. We had an English camp and now it's finals. We're making final tests and everything. So now I will be bringing you to the hospital with us. We're going to visit a friend, an OFW as well, who's nanganganak ngayon. Nanganak na pala. At ibistahin natin sila. Let's go! Yes guys, nandito na kami sa hospital. Yes, wala na siya isama natin siya. Dito na kami sa hospital and kasi wala pa daw room yung bibistahan namin. Punta muna kami sa ward. Guarda Versosa. Wala kaming ganito talaga yung mukha namin. Hindi talaga mag-change yan. Ganun siya. Buti man niya, mommy.
Changes.
I like the baby actually. JJ, what is your favorite baby? What favorite? What favorite? No, no. Tita said, what baby do you like better? And JJ didn't want to. He got. You see this? The rat, cat. You see that?
Guys, may dilim pa din. Atong i-interview ang ating amahan dito. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Kailan ka nagiging father?
Just 5 hours ago.
5 hours ago. Anong feeling ng isang first-time father?
So happy because you can see your children.
Children, isa lang yun.
Your child.
Okay. You were excited?
Yes, very excited. You cannot explain your feelings. How happy you are.
Anong sasabihin mo sa baby mo ngayon, paglaki mo?
Paglaki niya?
Hindi, ngayon. Para mabasa niya next, marinig niya.
Okay. I'm happy for you that you came to Earth.
Came to Earth. Yes.
You came to Earth, then we will do our best to raise you well, raise you good, and with fear to God. And we're happy, very happy. That's it.
Welcome, baby Winter.
Yes, welcome to our.
Pwede yung camera daw sa loob kaya dito na lang kami. Sabi ni Marian ba? No camera, no recording,
no share,
no sharing. So
we're outside.
So that's why we are here outside filming, just interviewing the father and the watcher.
The advisor.
The advisor, the best advisor in the world. What's your name? Mario. Mauret. Mario Mauret.
Pili na tubig.
Yes. Welcome, Noah. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Congratulations pala.
Thank you for
Congratulations
your
and welcome to your baby.
prayer.
ปวดแผลไหมคะเป็นไหม
Thank you. Ay, hindi nakasubos ang buo.
we have a baby named Winter, and then oops, she's crying. Okay. Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. This is Winter. This is Winter. Winter is 1 day old. And name is Merifit Sidesti.